In today's fast-paced business landscape, staying organized, collaborative, and efficient is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Companies are constantly seeking tools that can streamline workflows, improve communication, and ultimately drive better results. While traditional spreadsheets have long been a staple for managing data, they often fall short when it comes to the complexities of modern project management and team collaboration. This is where Smartsheet steps in, offering a dynamic and versatile platform that empowers organizations to work smarter, not harder. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative impact Smartsheet can have across various industries and team sizes. It's more than just a glorified spreadsheet. It's a powerful work management platform designed to enhance collaboration, automate processes, and provide real-time visibility into critical information. But why exactly are so many companies choosing Smartsheet over traditional methods? Let's delve into the key reasons behind its widespread adoption. 1. Enhanced collaboration and communication. One of the most significant advantages of Smartsheet is its ability to foster seamless collaboration. Unlike static spreadsheets that often become siloed and difficult to track changes in, Smartsheet provides a central, shared workspace where teams can work together in real time. Multiple team members can access and edit the same sheet simultaneously, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. Real-time updates. Any changes made by one team member are instantly visible to others, eliminating the confusion of outdated versions and ensuring everyone is working with the most current information. Shared workspaces. Smartsheet allows for the creation of dedicated workspaces for projects or teams, bringing together relevant sheets, reports, and dashboards in one easily accessible location. Comments and discussions. Integrated commenting features allow for direct communication within the context of specific tasks or rows, reducing the need for lengthy email threads and keeping discussions focused. Sharing and permissions. Granular permission controls enable administrators to define who can view, edit, or share specific sheets and workspaces, ensuring data security and controlled access. This collaborative environment fosters better communication, reduces misunderstandings, and ultimately accelerates project timelines. 2. Streamlined project management. At its core, Smartsheet is a robust project management tool that goes far beyond basic task tracking. It provides a flexible framework for planning, executing, and monitoring projects of all sizes and complexities. Task management and scheduling. Smartsheet allows for the creation of detailed task lists with assignees, due dates, priorities, and dependencies. Gantt charts provide a visual representation of project timelines, making it easy to track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. 1. www.siloseyes.com. www.siloseyes.com. Resource management. By assigning resources to tasks and tracking their availability, Smartsheet helps optimize resource allocation and prevent overbooking. This ensures that the right people are working on the right tasks at the right time. Dependency management. Defining dependencies between tasks ensures that work flows logically and that subsequent tasks only begin once their predecessors are complete. This helps maintain project schedules and avoid delays. Critical path analysis. Smartsheet can automatically identify the critical path of a project, highlighting the sequence of tasks that directly impact the project's overall completion date. This allows project managers to focus their attention on the most crucial activities. By providing these powerful project management features in an intuitive interface, Smartsheet empowers teams to plan effectively, track progress diligently, and deliver projects on time and within budget. 3. Workflow automation. Manual, repetitive tasks can be a significant drain on productivity. Smartsheet's automation capabilities allow companies to streamline these processes, freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. Automated alerts and notifications. Set up automated alerts to notify team members of upcoming deadlines, task assignments, or changes in project status. This ensures that everyone stays informed and accountable. Automated updates and status changes. Configure rules to automatically update task statuses based on predefined criteria, such as when a predecessor task is completed. This eliminates the need for manual updates and provides real-time visibility into progress. Automated data collection. Integrate Smartsheet with forms to automatically collect data from internal or external stakeholders. This streamlines data gathering and reduces the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. Recurring task automation. Schedule recurring tasks to be automatically created at predefined intervals, ensuring that routine activities are never overlooked. By automating these and other workflows, Smartsheet helps companies improve efficiency, reduce errors, and ensure consistency in their processes. 4. Real-time reporting and dashboards. Having access to accurate and up-to-date information is crucial for effective decision-making. Smartsheet's robust reporting and dashboard capabilities provide real-time visibility into key metrics and project performance. Customizable reports. Create custom reports to track specific data points, filter information based on various criteria, and gain insights into project progress, resource utilization, and potential risks. Interactive dashboards. Build dynamic dashboards that provide a visual overview of key project metrics using charts, graphs, and summary widgets. These dashboards offer a high-level snapshot of performance and allow stakeholders to quickly identify areas that require attention. Data visualization. Smartsheet's built-in charting tools make it easy to visualize data and identify trends, patterns, and outliers. This helps teams communicate insights effectively and make data-driven decisions. Sharing and collaboration on reports. Share reports and dashboards with stakeholders, providing them with the information they need to stay informed without requiring them to navigate the underlying data. These reporting and dashboarding features empower companies to monitor performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that drive positive outcomes. 5. Flexibility and scalability. Smartsheet's flexibility is one of its key differentiators. It can be adapted to manage a wide range of projects and workflows across various departments and industries. Customizable templates. Smartsheet offers a vast library of pre-built templates for various use cases, from project management and marketing campaigns to event planning and HR processes. These templates provide a starting point and can be easily customized to meet specific needs. Adaptable structure. The sheet-based structure of Smartsheet is highly adaptable, allowing users to organize information in a way that makes sense for their specific projects and workflows. Integration capabilities. Smartsheet integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other business applications, such as Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Jira. This allows for data to flow seamlessly between different systems, eliminating data silos and improving overall efficiency. Scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Smartsheet can scale to meet your growing needs.